Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Cardano's Hoskinson unlikely to donate crypto to Ukraine for this reason. Crypto projects, stakeholders, and founders have all made a splash after Ukraine asked for crypto donations to help it resist Russia's invasion. The numbers speak for themselves as more than $24 million in crypto has reportedly reached the country. Now, the Cardano community is feeling the pressure to donate. As is usually the case, founder Charles Hoskinson put out a video to explain his point of view. A warning to the people. Hoskinson acknowledged that others, like Polkadot founder Gavin Wood, had donated to Ukraine, but made it clear that he was not about to drop a few million in ADA anytime soon. In particular, Hoskinson pointed out that he wasn't sure whether the donations would only be used for citizen welfare or controlled by a puppet regime in the future. He also mentioned it was easier to teach a man to fish than to give him fish. Hoskinson warned, given the nature of cryptocurrencies, it's entirely possible that if the Ukrainian government is invaded, for the wallets that hold those funds in Kiev to just basically disappear, and people will assert that the keys have been lost, or the people who knew them are dead, and in reality they actually were stolen. Hoskinson instead suggested that the Cardano community could donate to help Ukrainian refugees in other countries. And then there were 9 all said and done. Hoskinson's comments do raise the question of whether or not an ADA donation would be useful to Ukraine. At press time, Cardano's ADA was the 9th biggest coin by market cap, trading at $0.8808. The coin fell by 4.06% in the last 24 hours, but rose by 5.06% in the last week. Data from Sentiment shows that both ADA's price and active address count have been falling for some time now. However, active addresses did see a mild increase when compared to the lows following the December crash. Looking at whale transactions count, we can see that they are few and far between. However, whales did briefly wake up as ADA's price enjoyed a short rally towards the end of February. Despite that, the coin dropped again afterward. In short, the whale transaction count didn't see a major increase post-22 September 2021. At Tron of Trouble, there's been considerable pressure on crypto founders and influencers to donate funds to Ukraine's official crypto addresses. AdaSwap announced a $2.6 million fundraise led by venture capital firm Angels and several other investors, including actor and producer Gal Gadot and her husband Jaron Varsano. Whale holdings have increased by over 40% this year. Following a 70% correction, these addresses have now been accumulating aggressively. This group, as well as those holding over 100 MADA, recorded double-digit growth month-over-month, out in Euro said. The renewed interest by large investors may be a sign of good times ahead, assuming the broader market finds a footing. Whale selling in early September turned out to be an advance indicator of a price slide. These whale addresses had previously sold a large amount of their holdings right before ADA began to crash, out Miro noted. ADA peaked above $3 on September 2nd and has lost more than 70% since then. The 9th largest cryptocurrency by market value was last trading near $0. ADA, a 5% drop on a 24-hour basis. So, let's talk to second news. Bradley Milligan remains the director of ENS Foundation after failed attempt to boot him. Bradley Milligan will remain as the director of the Cayman-registered Ethereum Name Service Foundation after a vote to remove him failed. This drama began in early February after a 2016 tweet surfaced where Milligan expressed views condemning homosexuality, transgenderism, abortion and other issues. In the end, the results were 39% against Milligan's removal, 37.51% for it, and 19% abstaining. The ENS Foundation is the legal representation of the DAO. ENS token holders were eligible to vote. Each token held represented 1 vote. Nick Johnson, founder and lead developer of ENS, who fired Milligan from True Names Limited, the company owned by the foundation, to manage the code development, abstained from voting, according to on-chain data. In the past, Johnson had said he was a supporter of Milligan, tweeting that he had never seen Brantley treat anyone as different or lesser because of who they are. After the vote concluded, Milligan wrote that he believes ENS is for everyone, and he looks forward to getting back to work and building ENS. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the Technews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.